The NH Industries have signed a contract for the acquisition of 31 NH90NFH helicopters, support services and training. They will be equipped with a state-of-the-art naval mission system encompassing active dipping sonar, passive sonar buoys, weapons and Leonardo LEOSS-T Electro-Optical System with laser target designation capabilities. Other mission profile includes anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue, maritime surveillance and control, limited airborne early warning, logistic transport and utility support, vertical replenishment, casualty evacuation, special operations including counter-terrorism and anti-piracy.